Four best friends, one old promise, and a dream road trip across America. But there was one problem. They all lived in the USA already, yet none of them had time to truly live. Work stress, busy schedules, endless responsibilities. They kept saying, "Someday, we'll travel together," until one strange night, everything changed. My name is Ethan, and this is the story of how four overworked friends manifested the most unforgettable journey of our lives. I worked as a software developer in Seattle. My life was simple. Wake up, laptop, coffee, deadlines, sleep, repeat. My best friend Mia was a nurse in Chicago, always exhausted from hospital shifts. Lucas worked in real estate in Dallas, always chasing clients. And Ava, she was a freelance graphic designer in Los Angeles. Creative, funny, but secretly burned out. We had been friends since college, and every year we made the same promise. Next summer, road trip. But next summer never came. One night we joined a video call after months. Everyone looked tired. Mia had dark circles from night shifts. Lucas was answering work emails during the call. And Ava said something that hit all of us deeply. Are we really living or just surviving? The room became silent. Then Lucas laughed and said, "Imagine us watching the sunset at the Grand Canyon instead of staring at screens." And suddenly, for the first time in years, we all smiled. That night, we made a crazy decision. We would manifest our dream USA trip. It started as a joke. But Ava created a shared digital vision board. Photos of New York, Miami beaches, Las Vegas lights, Yellowstone National Park, the Grand Canyon, and the Pacific Coast Highway. Every morning we looked at those pictures. We even started texting each other affirmations. The universe is making a way for our trip. We deserve adventure. Life is bringing us freedom. At first it felt silly, but slowly, our energy changed. Instead of complaining about work, we started talking about possibilities. Then weird things started happening. My company suddenly announced remote work options. Mia got approved for vacation leave after being rejected twice. Lucas closed a huge property deal. And Ava got her highest paying design client ever. It felt like life was slowly opening doors for us. One day Ava texted us, "Guys, I think this trip is actually happening." And honestly, for the first time we believed it too. But just when everything looked perfect, problems started again. Mia's hospital became understaffed. My manager scheduled a major project. Lucas worried about losing business. And Ava's client demanded urgent revisions. The dream started slipping away. One night during our group call, nobody spoke. Then Mia quietly said, "Maybe adulthood just kills dreams." That sentence hurt. But then Lucas looked straight into the camera and said, "No, we're not canceling this again. If we wait for perfect timing, we'll never live." And that moment changed everything. The next week felt magical. My project got postponed. Mia found another nurse willing to swap shifts. Lucas hired an assistant. And Eva finished her client work early. It was like the universe responded the moment we fully committed. So finally, after years of dreaming, we booked the trip. I still remember seeing the confirmation email. My hands were shaking. It didn't feel like a vacation. It felt like freedom. We started in New York City. Bright lights, music everywhere, energy in the air. We laughed like college kids again. Then Miami. Warm beaches, ocean waves, late night talks under the stars. Las Vegas was chaos. Lucas lost $20 in 5 minutes. Mia laughed so hard she cried. And Ava kept filming everything for memories. But the most powerful moment came at the Grand Canyon. We stood there silently, watching the sunset paint the sky orange and gold. And suddenly, all the stress, all the burnout, all the exhaustion felt tiny. Ava whispered, "This is what life is supposed to feel like." And none of us forgot that moment. On the last night of the trip, we parked near the Pacific Coast Highway. The ocean breeze was cold. The sky was full of stars. And for the first time in years, we felt alive. We realized manifestation wasn't about magic. It was about believing you deserve happiness, taking action, and refusing to keep postponing life. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to follow your dream, this is your sign. Because sometimes the life you want begins the moment you finally say, "Let's do it." Thanks for sharing your wonderful story. If this story inspired you, comment your dream destination below. Watch more videos from the playlist. And don't forget to subscribe for more manifestation stories.
Sorry, please forgive me. Love you. Thank you. Bye.